Okay, so students, welcome to Mighty Brains channel. So we'll be starting off with the basics of French class, and then we'll be studying about alphabets, days of the week, year of the month, and some basics of counting and salutations. All right. Okay, so let's start off with the session. Okay. Is my screen visible to you guys now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Yeah. So I am Pooja. I'm your French instructor. So let's start off with the session. Okay. So we'll be studying about the alphabets. So this is, okay. Yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, great. So this is alphabets. Just like in English, we have A to Z alphabets in French. So what we are supposed to do, I will be pronouncing it for you guys, and then you have to repeat it afterwards me. Okay. This is A, B.
A,
Yeah, let me finish this line and then this column, and then you have to repeat it. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E. So any of you can repeat it? Okay. So who wants to try it first? Okay, Aarti wants to try. Great. So Aarti, just repeat after me. Okay, this is now you're supposed to repeat it. A, B.
A, B,
Mhm.
C,
Go ahead.
D, E,
No,
F,
that's A. That's A.
A, F, Z, H, E.
So Aarti, this is J. All right.
G.
Okay. So next line will be covering from G to R. All right. This is G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. All right. Supriya, now I want you to repeat after me. Okay.
Z,
G,
Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
well done. Okay. So this is S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right. So Janvi, you want to try it once?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
S, T, U, V, W, E, Y,
No, it's Y.
Y,
Yeah.
Z.
Z. Okay, so let me tell you certain things about the alphabets. So just like in English, F will remain F. All right. L will remain L. L, M, N, O, and F. They are pronounced exactly the same way, just like in English. All right. So this will remain F. This is L, M, N, O. Okay. And about G. So in French, we pronounce G as J and J as G. All right. So we'll keep the session in English. सो मैं बायलिंगुअल लैंग्वेज में आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. सो जी को आप जे की तरह प्रोनाउंस करेंगे एंड जे को आप जी की तरह प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. ऑल राइट. तो दिस इज जे एंड दिस इज जी. ऑल राइट. एंड दिस वन वॉज वे. और वी का डबल दिखता है डब्ल्यू, सो वील कॉल इट एज डब्ल्यू वे. ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज आ. नाउ लेट मी प्रोनाउंस इट फॉर यू गाइस. आ, बे, से, दे, अ. Aarti, all right, this is A, not E.
Okay.
Yeah? F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, just like in English. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so let's proceed to the next slide. I hope everything is clear. Okay, yeah. So this is the next slide. So what, just like in English, जैसे हम English में बोलते हैं A for apple. So I have mentioned in this slide about the French, the words starting with A in French, or the alphabets which are starts. So this is how it is. So you are supposed to pronounce it like avion. So avion means aeroplane. Okay. Bateau means a boat. So these are the words which starts with the particular alphabet, and in the right side I have mentioned what is the meaning of this alphabet. All right, so I'll speak it for you once, I'll pronounce it for you once, and then आपको मेरे पीछे repeat करना है. Okay? Avion, which means an aeroplane. B, bateau, which means a boat. C, ciseaux, which means a scissor. D, dindon, which means a turkey animal. All right. Elephant, which means an elephant. F will remain F. So F, fromage, not fromage. This is fromage. All right. This is J, calf. This is not J calf. This is G calf. G calf. Ash, Ibu. So here you can see I have mentioned Ibu, not Hibu. Right? मैंने इसको Ibu पढ़ा है ना कि Hibu. क्योंकि H is usually silent in French. Although there are certain exceptions which we will be studying later on. So this is Ash, Ibu. E, eel. J, jaguar. K, kangaroo. L, livre. M, miel. N, noir. O, oiseau. P, parapluie, which means an umbrella. Q, R, rose. So here the word rose can means a rose or pink color. All right. This is S, sans. All right, which means a monkey. T, trois, which means a train. U, uniform. V, wash. W, wifi. X, xylophone. Y, ear. Z, zeb. Okay, so who wants to try it now? Any of you? Neha, you want to try? Yeah, please go ahead. Read it.
A, avion. B, bateau. C, ciseaux. D, dindon. E, elephant. F, fromage. G, giraffe. H, ibu. E, eel. Z, jaguar. K, kangaroo. L, livre. M, miel. N, noir. O, oiseau.
Great, well done. Next.
P, pucker. R, rose. S, sans.
Yeah. Te.
Tra. U, tra.
Well done.
U,
Te, tra.
uniform. X, xylophone. Y, I'm on X.
Okay, yeah, please go ahead. X, xylophone. Yeah, let me read it for you now. X, xylophone. Y, ear. Z, zeb. Okay, so I think this is clear to everyone, all of you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed with the next topic. Okay, so here I have mentioned j, z and z. All right. So इसमें आप देख सकते हैं difference. In this one there is no dot. In this j there is a single dot, and in the last one there is double dot. Okay. So जब एक भी डॉट नहीं है तो हम इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं जस्ट लाइक जेट. ठीक है, विदाउट कोई भी साउंड नहीं आएगी, सिंपल ज. ठीक है, दिस वन विल बी जी वाला, इसमें ज का साउंड आएगा. एंड इन डबल डॉट वी आर सपोज टू प्रोनाउंस इट एट मेजर, ट्रेजर. सो दिस वन इज ज. ऑलराइट, दैट इज वाई हम जे को जब प्रोनाउंस कर रहे थे, व्हेन वी वर प्रोनाउंसिंग जे, वी कॉल इट एज जी. ऑलराइट, एंड हम जी को जब प्रोनाउंस कर रहे थे, दैट वाज जे. तो वो मेजर और ट्रेजर का साउंड था. So you will get to the habit, उसमें कोई problem नहीं है. The more you will practice, the more you will be get used to it. All right. So this is J and this is G. So ये difference है j, z और j में. All right. Okay. So let's proceed with the next topic. Okay. So these are le jour de la semaine. So these are days of the week which we'll be studying. So Landi is Monday, Mardi is Tuesday, Makradi is Wednesday, Jeudi is Thursday, Vendredi is Friday, Samedi is Saturday, Dimanche is Sunday. So I've written all of these pronunciation in Hindi as well to the students who are comfortable more with Hindi. So you have to repeat after me. Okay. Yeah. This is, let me repeat it for you. Landi, Monday, Mardi, Tuesday, Makradi is Wednesday, Jeudi is Thursday, Vendredi is Friday, Samedi is Saturday, Dimanche is Sunday. All right. So who wants to try it now? Anyone? Raise your
Can I-
hand. Yeah. Janvi, go ahead.
Landi, Monday, Mardi, Tuesday, Makradi, Wednesday, Jeudi, Thursday, Vendredi, Friday, Samedi, Saturday, Dimanche, Sunday.
Great, wonderful. Okay. Next is your, we are supposed to cover now French months of the year. So these are just like in English, we have again 12 months in a year. So this is what it is. This is Janvier. Okay, yeah, just give me a minute. Okay. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, Mai, June, Juillet, Août, Septembre, Octobre, November, December. So for your convenience, I've mentioned again this in Hindi as well. So don't worry, I'll be providing you all the notes, and I think most of them I've already shared with you. So let's proceed with the next slide. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah. This is what it is. Janvier means January, February means February, Mars is March, Avril is April, May is May, May will remain May, right? Juin is June. Okay. Juillet is July, Août is August, September, थोड़ा ना फ्रेंच में ऐसे यू आर सपोज आपका माउथ थोड़ा ओपन होता है. ऑल राइट, ठीक है. September, October, November, December. All right. So who wants to try it now? Somaya wants to try.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Janvier means January.
That's Janvier. No
Janvier.
problem. Mm-hmm.
Okay. February.
Mm-hmm.
Mars means March. Avril, it's for April. May. Juin. Juillet.
Juillet. Well done. Très bien.
Juillet. Août. September. October. November and December.
Well done. All right. Okay. So this is the next topic which we have covered so far. So these are 1 to 20 counting which I have mentioned. All right. This is a, the, trois. So you can write it down in your notebooks. All right. So if let me explain it to the concept. So firstly, you are supposed to read it from 1 to 10. All right. So I'll read it for you. A, the, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, with, नफ, these. So हम इसको ना थोड़ा स्प्लिट करके पढ़ेंगे so that confusion ना रहे. Let me simplify it for you guys. All right. Okay. So okay, yeah, these you can read it from Hindi as well. Okay. This is zeho, a, the, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. In set p is always silent. मैं इसको sept नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ. मैं I am reading it as set. दिस इज नॉट सेप्ट. और मैंने आपको बताया था कि ज के नीचे डॉट आती है तो दिस इज ज. दैट इज वाई इट इज जेहो, नॉट जेहो. जेहो नहीं पढ़ा है मैंने इसको आई हैव रेड इट एज जेहो. ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज जेहो, आ, द, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. So who wants to try now? Anybody? Okay, this is Soumya, right? Okay. Yeah. Soumya, please go ahead.
It's Zeho, Un,
Not
the,
a. This is a.
ah, okay.
Yeah.
Zeho, the, through a, cat, sank, sees, set, with, nuff, these.
Well done, Dremia. Okay, so let me read it for you now, 11 to 16. All right, we'll be covering first 11 to 16. Okay, this is ons, dos, tres, catorze. This is cans and ses. Okay, ons means 11, dos is your 12, the है ये, ठीक है? Dos is 12, tres is your 13, 14 is your catorze, 15 is cans, and 16 is cells. Okay, Aarti, you want to try it from 11 to 16?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ons, dos, tres, catorze, quinze, seize.
That's it. All right. Okay. So from 17 to 19, as you can see on your screen, this is 17 will be 10 plus 7. So French में हम हमेशा एडिशन करके पढ़ते हैं फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर न्यू टू द प्लेटफॉर्म एंड माइटी ब्रेन्स चैनल. सो व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू, हम हमेशा फ्रेंच में आफ्टर 16 ऑनवर्ड्स हमेशा एडिशन होती है. ऑल राइट, तो दिस इज 17 को हम 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करेंगे विच इज 10 प्लस 7. 18 विल को भी हम 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करेंगे, 10 प्लस 8, 10 प्लस 9. ओके, सो ओके अंशिका, 10 को हम क्या रीड करते हैं? व्हाट डू वी, हाउ डू वी रीड 10 एज? Is she there?
These.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right answer. So this is 10 is these. Okay. So जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, we read 17 as 10 plus 7. So this is these and then set. So this is these set. तो हमने 10 को लिख लिया and 7 को लिख लिया, right? 10 plus 7 था ना? Okay. And we always use a hyphen in between. So this, we will write first the 10 number which is these and the second 7 is your set. So this becomes these set. ऐसे ही 10 plus 8 था, तो we have written these and then 8 is your with, that is these with. So this becomes these set, these with, these nuff, and the 20 is moi. All right. Okay, so I think everyone is clear with that. So this is ons, dos, tres, catorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, one. So if everyone is clear with the concept, I'll proceed to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and rest of the students, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Well done. Okay, great. Okay, from 20 we call it as one. Okay, so 21 will be wanteya. Okay, so let me first clarify this to you. So जितने भी numbers है from 21 to 71, there is, we always use et. जैसे कि मैंने आप, you can see on your screen, in 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71, we always use et. Et means and. All right. So जब भी हम इसको pronounce करेंगे, 20 is wa, and like I mentioned, जितने भी ये 21, 31 till 71 हमें et यूज करना है. Then 21, 1 is your a, as you can see, un लिखा है ना मेरे स्क्रीन पे. So this will become swanteya. We'll write 20 and then 1, 20 plus 1. So instead of plus we write et. All right. या तो we will always use et, either we will use hyphen. There are only two things we are supposed to use. या तो हम et यूज करेंगे या तो हम hyphen यूज करेंगे. Okay. So 20 will win we wanteya. All right. So wanteya, which is vingt, et and a. All right. Okay. So okay. So from 20, after 21, again the same series, just like 17, 18, 19 was 10 plus 7. Similarly, after 20, we will be pronouncing at or writing it down as 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 4. ऐसा हम till 30 तक करेंगे. Okay, we'll be doing it till 20 plus 3, 20 plus 4, 20 plus 5, 20 plus 6. So whatever number, for example, if I want to write 29. So Neha, can you tell me how am I supposed to write 29?
Vana.
Okay, so how am I supposed to write 20 plus 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll write 1 and then 9 is?
No.
Enough. Well done. Très bien. Okay. Janvi, okay, from 30 onwards, I will be writing the same thing. 30 is your throne. Okay? Throne. And then 30 to 40, I will be writing the same thing. 31 is will become Tronteya. Okay? And then 41 is again same. Keronteya. Okay, so let me complete first the 20s line and then I'll show you the next slide. Okay, so as I have mentioned, 20 will become wa, 20 is wa, 21 in all the ones number we use et till 71. That is why it is wanteya. And till 29 I'm only supposed to use the hyphen. आप minus sign दे सकते हो ना, right, on your screen. और फिर 1 से लेके 9 तक आपको काउंटिंग यूज करनी है. दैट्स ऑल. दिस इज wan, wan the, wan trois, wan quatre. Okay? Wan cinq, wan six, wan sept, wan huit, wan neuf, and this is trente. Okay? Okay. So, okay. Let me share my other screen with you. So can you tell me how you are supposed to write? Okay. 32.
32.
Great. Very good. Well done. Très bien. Okay. Okay. Then 35. Well done. तो आपको कैसे पता चला 35 करना है? Because it is 30 plus 5, right? Then it is thrown and then sank. Okay. That is why it is thrown sank. Okay. Okay. Then we will do it exactly like this till 39 and then 40 is Keront. Okay. 40 is Keron. So same series जैसे हम follow कर रहे थे वैसे ही हम 40 से 50 तक करेंगे. Okay. 41 will be Kerontea and then exactly just like this we'll write the trois quatre cinq. फिर 1 से 9 तक हम counting लिखेंगे. Just हम minus sign add कर देंगे. Okay. So can anybody tell me how am I supposed to write 47?
Around
40 plus 7, 40 is Keron and 7 is 7. Okay, Seth. Yeah, just give me a minute, guys. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to the next topic, which is 50. Okay, so 50 is Senkon. So अगर आपको 30, 40, 50, 60 और 70 पता है तो आप you can do any number in between, right? Okay, so 50 is Senkon. So how will you write 55? 50 plus 5, which is?
Sank.
Okay, great. Okay, and if I talk about 51, then? Perfect. Très bien. Okay, 51 is your, I have mentioned that we always use 51 is ET, then it will become 51. Okay, 59.
50 plus 9.
Great. Okay. See. Okay. Now we will discuss about 60s line, right? Just like I mentioned, 60 again, 60 plus 1, 60 plus 2, like that. So 60 is soixante. Okay. So 61 will be soixante-un. Okay. Soixante-un. Again, then 63 will be soixante-trois. Because soixante is 60 and 3 is trois. Then it will be soixante-trois. Okay. So can anybody tell me what will be 66? Very good. Okay. So for 70, what we does is we will mention as 60 plus 10. Okay. Which is soixante these. Till 70, I think everybody has understood, right? Okay, great. So till now I will be covering till 70 only for students who are new. So I till 1 to 16 I've explained. Let me just sum it up for you guys. 1 to 16 I've already read it for you. This is zehon, the, trois, quatre, cinq, six. P is silent here, which is sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze. and this is cans and then sas. From 17 to 19, you are supposed to break it into two words, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8. That is why it is these set, these with, these now. Because 10 plus 7, again, 10 is these and 7 is set. 20 is wa. So in numbers 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, and 71, I mentioned the numbers. We use et. That is why it is wantea, trontea, kerontea, cinquantea, suasontea. All right? Write that. Again, then we are supposed to add only the numbers in this. Like for example, in 20's line, I will add 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3. In 30's line, again, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 3. 40's line, similarly, the same pattern will follow till 70. I hope everyone is understood as if no? Okay. So not to confuse you further, I will till now just revise it till 70. And then let me just start off with the salutations topic as if now. Okay. So this is what we have studied. Can you see the salutation? Salutation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So we will be studying about the salutation topic. Okay. So these are the salutations which we have studied. So there are two types of conversations when we talk about French. One is the formal conversation. Another one is the informal conversations, which I've mentioned before. So formal conversations वो होती हैं जब हम when we don't know the other person, right? Or even if we know, when we have a formal relationship between the two. For example, when you're talking to your teacher, when you're talking to your colleague, right? So those are the formal conversation. Informal conversations are those where you already know someone in a personal capacity. When you talk to your friend, okay? So that is an informal conversation. All right. So I have mentioned certain salutations here. Okay. This is bonjour, which means where I mentioned F, it means formal. Where I mentioned IF, it means informal. Okay. So हम basic greetings of the day पढ़ेंगे. Bonjour is good morning. All right. Bon matin is also good morning, but we say it in an informal way. All right. This is salut. Okay. So when, for example, there are two friends, Anshika and Janvi, right? So Anshika और जानवी अगर एक दूसरे को wish करेंगे, they will call it each other as salut. Okay. Salut Janvi, salut Anshika. But for example, if you want to greet me, then you will mention me as, yeah, answer me.
Bonjour.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. So you will always mention me as bonjour. Why? What is the reason? Because we have a formal relationship, right? So when we share an informal relationship, we mention salut or bomata as hi or good morning. But when we have a formal relationship, we mention bonjour. Okay. So good afternoon, we mention it as bon après-midi. Okay. Bon après-midi. Repeat after me. Okay.
Bon après-midi.
Okay. Okay. This is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Okay. Bonne nuit is good night. Okay. Yeah. Bonsoir is good evening. Bonne nuit is good night. Okay. So there are certain things I want to mention to you guys about French. One rule I have mentioned is H is always silent in French. Another one is whenever we talk about vous, okay, vous is always used in a formal conversation, which we'll be studying in further classes, which is I will be discussing subject pronouns. All right. So vous is always used in a formal conversation. Tu, this is not tu, this is tu. Tu is always used in an informal conversation. Okay. So whenever I talk about how are you, okay, so there are certain ways to wish how are you. So how are you मैं दो तरीके से बोल सकती हूँ, right? एक तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड को बोलूंगी और एक मैं अपने कलीग को विश करूंगी. So whenever मैं informal conversation की बात करूंगी, there are four ways to say how are you. First one is sawa, sawa, como sawa, tiu va bien, como va tiu. All right. So these are the ways you will wish your friends or colleagues. All right. But when I talk about formal, then this will be vous allez bien, comment allez-vous. This is not allez, this is comment allez-vous. Okay. And another, and you can give a reply to how are you as je vais bien merci. Okay. So there are certain replies to the question how are you. So usually आप French English में क्या बोलते हो? अगर मैं पूछूं आपसे how are you? So anybody will say I am fine, okay, I am not good, my day was not well. So this is how you will reply in French. So whenever you want to say ça va bien merci, which means I am fine, thank you. Merci always means thank you. All right, students? Okay. This is sawa mal, which means I am not well. Another one is pa mal, which is not bad. Okay. Another one is com si, com sa, which is neither good nor bad.
Good nor bad.
ओके लाइक आई मेंशन ये वर्ड अभी आपको मैं कई बार बोल रही थी ना त्रेबिया व्हेन यू वर आंसरिंग टू द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई वाज आस्किंग यू व्हिच मींस वेरी गुड वेल डन
Very good.
जो ऐसे ही आप बोलोगे आई एम वेरी गुड ओके सो देन इट इज जे वे त्रेबिया ऑलराइट सो दीज आर सर्टेन रिप्लाईज टू हाउ आर यू ओके okay so there are certain vocabulary which we can study in French. Whenever you want to congratulate someone, then you can wish it as félicitations. Félicitations. Okay. Yeah. So for example, if you want to wish me good morning, madam, right? So you will wish me as what was good morning?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madam.
Madame.
Okay. And for example, if you want to wish a male faculty, or for example, you want to wish to Vikas sir, how will you say it as?
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Monsieur.
Wow, very good. Très bien. All right. So whenever you want to wish to someone or whenever you want to call to someone who is a miss, okay, so you will address it as mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. Okay. So, okay, now we will be studying about the next topic, which is how to say goodbye. All right. So whenever you want to say bye to your colleague or to your friends or anybody, then you will say au revoir. Au revoir is goodbye. Okay. A bientôt. A bientôt is see you soon. So there are certain 2-3 ways to say goodbye. So whenever you want to say goodbye, you will say it as au revoir. Whenever you want to say see you soon, then you will say it as a bientôt. Whenever you want to say it as see you tomorrow, which will be adama. Or whenever you want to say see you in a moment, you will say a tout à l'heure. All right. What is it? A tout à l'heure. Well, yeah. Okay. So there are 2 ways. Okay. As I mentioned here, this is bonjourne and this is bonsoir. Okay. So when I see this word bonjour, don't you think bonjour and bonjourne are similar words? bonjourne और
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
bonjour एकदम एक जैसे से नहीं लगते
Yes.
ऐसे ही bonsoir और bonsoire एक जैसे लगते हैं राइट सो द डिफरेंस इज whenever you meet someone right you'll say bonjour जैसे आप अभी you just joined this meeting so you said you wish me as bonsoir madam right but while leaving you can say bonsoire which is have a nice evening so bonsoir is when you meet someone and bonsoir or bonjourne is when you are leaving that is the difference one the above one is for meeting and these 2 words are used while you are leaving right जैसे आप जाते हुए बोलते हो ना have a nice day madam have a nice evening madam see you tomorrow वैसे all right so this is not proper goodbye but just like that all right so this okay now there are 2 ways to say please as well all right this one is seal to play I have mentioned to you that vous is usually used for formal conversation tu is used for informal conversation right so whenever I talk about seal to play which is an informal please right for example Supriya wants to say please to Soumya, to your friend, right? Then you will say s'il te plaît. But when you want to say please to me, then you will say s'il vous plaît. So one is s'il te plaît, another one is s'il vous plaît. All right? So that is the difference between informal and formal please. Okay. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So these are certain, let's try certain exercises before leaving. Just give me a minute, I'll share my screen with you. Yeah, just give me a minute. Can you see my screen? Is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Okay, you can see my screen, right? So let's check how many of you remember the words which I've explained it to you. Okay, as you can see, I have mentioned this. Let us learn to grade. All right. So let's just try to learn through a poem or through diagrams. Okay. So who will?
वॉइस हो रहा है
क्या हो रहा है?
वॉइस नहीं आ रही है स्क्रीन की
मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है आपको?
आपकी आ
मैम
रही स्क्रीन
वीडियो
से
की वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
वीडियो का शो है।
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this, student? Okay. वॉइस आ रही है आपको?
यस मैम, आपकी आ रही है।
Okay, no problem. Is my screen visible to you?
यस मैम।
Okay, no problem. Let's do one thing. आप सिर्फ डायग्राम देख के मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा बता दो, मुझे आइडिया लग जाएगा how many of you have understood. All right?
श्योर मैम।
Then I will be sharing more poems with you like that. Okay. Okay. So what did the guy say to this person?
Bonjour, Mr.
हाँ, so क्या मतलब है इस चीज का?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, next.
हेलो क्लारा।
Hmm.
Hi,
Okay.
Clara. Hi, Gabriel.
Yeah. So here he says, au revoir, Julie, which means what?
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Julie.
Yeah, très bien. Okay. Now who will answer to that question? What is she saying to him?
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Gabriel.
Very good, very
See you
good. Yeah, well done. Adima, which is see you tomorrow. The same man said the same thing to her. Okay. What does this mean? What is this word? How do we pronounce it?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Good morning.
Okay, all right. Okay, next.
Bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi.
Which means what?
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
All right. Next, this one is
Bon
Good
nuit.
nuit.
which means
Good night.
Good night.
yeah.
Good night.
Okay. So I think you have understood most of the things. So